Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to fix your account cannot be created at this time on App Store. First of all, you can just simply check your internet connection by swiping down on the iPhone, and here you can check your internet connection. If your internet connection is stable, you cannot face any issue, and if your internet connection is not stable, you can face this issue, maybe your internet. And after this, the alternative method is you can just simply restart your mobile, and after restarting the issue is solved. And after the issue is not solved, you can just simply go to the settings and tap on the name, and after tapping on the name, you can just simply scroll down, sign out the Apple ID, and restart your device. And after restarting your device, you can just simply sign back in, and you can enter your password. And after this, the issue is 100% solved, and it is a way your account cannot be created at this time on the App Store fixed. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.